In this video, I'll share how to store images in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, head over to a bottom, choose the workspaces. On the right-hand side, choose a workspace you want to work with. Let's say I want to do this within my products. Click on the product workspace or the base. That will automatically take you to its database. As you can see here on the inventory of products, I do not have an option to show my pictures. Now, the reason why we need a picture is it would look really good within a gallery view. So from here, head over to the top and the right corner. On the very end of the table, you will see a plus sign to add a field. Click on Add Field. At the bottom, you want to go to the Find a Field Type and search for Attachments. Now, below Standard Fields, choose Attachment. And from here, we can set this as our product pictures. At the bottom for the format, you can set it as files or versions. And at the bottom, click on Create. Now, whenever we add a product image, what you need to do is simply head over to the row, click on it. From here, you can manually drop the files in here, or on the left-hand side, you can manually add the attachments. So you can drag and drop, or on the left-hand side, if you click on Add Attachment, from here, you can browse from your files, link via URL, use your webcam, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, or Dropbox. On the local files, let's say we want to add a picture. From here, I will just simply choose a picture, let's say woman with sunglasses. As you can see, even if it is a WebP, it will automatically upload. At the top in the right corner, you can add more into one area, but I will just keep it into one. At the bottom, upload the file. And once you do that, it will start uploading the file. It might take some time depending on the size, but as you can see, we now have a product image. Now to store these, we can use a gallery view. So on the left-hand side, create new. On the right-hand side, choose the third option, which is gallery. And once we have the gallery view, it will automatically add that picture for the record. So if you click on a record, you can choose what it is that you want to see or not see. But within here, as you can see, it will automatically store the picture. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.